Magic Switch, as you can see right here, is another great feature. I was really skeptical. So last night I put together this slide. It's as my way of using an infographics to demonstrate how you can use a single source of content, whether it's a 30-minute to 1-hour podcast, live stream, or webinar, and turn that into videos published on YouTube, clips for shorts, as well as clips repurposed for social media, audio published on Spotify, blogs, etc. I was thinking, what are the chances of Canva being able to understand what's in this graph and then click on Magic Switch? Check it out. You can, first of all, translate your design into another language, and also you can transform this into a document. Try it out. As you can see, going from this crazy image that you can create a summary, all text blog post, email, poem, or even song lyrics. So I'm gonna turn this into a blog post. Click on transform into doc. This took about a minute or so, and what I received back is this. I was really stunned. On one hand, I know that I've inputted some text here, but they're pretty minimum. Now, this article is a really great starting point for me to, beef it up and consider, with that image I just created and turn this into a blog post. What's also really helpful for me as a creator, as a small business owner, is to think about that being able to write directly from Canva, feeding an image into it, which is not something that I'm currently doing with ChatGPT. I'm sure there probably is some sort of plugin. Because I'm already spending so much time inside of Canva, I can now feed an image, generate a text summary or this blog post and just run with it. On top of that, I can simply open up another window and design a thumbnail of any size for social media, for my blog post, for my YouTube channel. From here, you can convert it further to a presentation if you want to. In addition, did you previously see that you can actually convert this image into song lyrics? I have my guitar behind me. If needed, I gotta, play some music and maybe turn this into a song. Just kidding. It's not part of this video. Within a minute, it generated lyrics, song lyrics based on what I have done. Oh my God. The cycle of content. I'm gonna try not to lose it. From a single source of content, we birth the stories into the world meant to see. The chorus as well. In 30 minutes to an hour, it's a show. And there's another chorus in the world of content. You know what? Canva needs to come back and make this piece actually sing. I was so excited, yet disappointed by not finding an AI tool that can turn text into music. So I finally found a tool, Voice Mod, and looks like I can generate a song for free. So let's check it out. So it looks like text to song. You got to pick the song, and all right, let's have a listen. Pretty cool. Okay, I'm feeling this one. What do you guys think? So, all right, let's pick this one. Go to next. And you can actually pick a singer. Let's see. Okay, let's just have the casual one right here. All right, let's actually input the lyrics. All right, let's create the song, shall we? All right, looks like it's queued up. All right, it's moment of truth. Oh, you got voice and music. Okay, only voice. So let's download this and see what happens. Let's download the video. I want the whole thing. In the cycle of content, we find our hearts beat, creating, repurposing the circles, complete. Through video, audio, text, we make our... Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, how you envision this and how you like to use it. And please share your song. First of all, share your creation through Canva. I want to see how you take advantage of their magic raid, of Magic Switch, but also share the song you've written with me. Can't wait. Thank you for your support, guys. If you like this video, be sure to check out the next one and can't wait to see you there. Bye. In the cycle of content, we find our hearts beat, creating, repurposing the circles, complete. Through video, audio, text, we make our